Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's learn adjectives. Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. Adjective: nice, noun, house, nice house. Adjective: long, noun, hair, long hair. Adjective: red, noun, skirt, red skirt. Adjective: new, noun, car, new car. Adjective: beautiful, noun, girl, beautiful girl. Adjective: black, noun, cat, black cat. Adjective: tall, noun, tree, tall tree. Adjective: round, noun, table, round table. Adjective: old, noun, man, old man. Adjectives of quality tells the quality of nouns. Examples: young learner, good boy, clever student, poor woman, intelligent girl. Adjectives of quantity: some money, half price, large is, several people, 3 frocks. Possessive adjectives shows the possession: your shoes, his bicycle, her frock, their classroom. Demonstrative adjectives: I like these roses, that skirt is yours, this boy is intelligent, I don't like such people, those flowers are beautiful. In the above sentences, the words these, that, this, such, and those are called demonstrative adjectives. Distributive adjectives: every student, each member, every month, either girl, neither play. In the above sentences, the words each, every, either, and neither are called distributive adjectives. Adjectives from nouns: noun, fool, adjective, foolish, play, playful, bold, golden, sense, sensible. Fill the blanks with suitable adjectives: clever, comfortable, and expensive. Number 1. My friend has bought an blank car. Number 2. John is a blank boy. Number 3. This blank chair belongs to my father. Answers: Number 1. My friend has bought an expensive car. Number 2. John is a clever boy. Number 3. This comfortable chair belongs to my father. Fill the blanks with suitable adjectives: best, dirty, and wise. Number 4. The blank room should be clean. Number 5. Always blank people like to read books. Number 6. My blank friend always helps me. Answers: Number 4. The dirty room should be clean. Number 5. Always wise people like to read books. Number 6. My best friend always helps me. Fill the blanks with suitable adjectives. All, colorful and interesting. Number 7. We like blank flowers. Number 8. Jane is reading an blank book. Number 9. The blank man with a stick crossed the road. Answers. Number 7. We like colorful flowers. Number 8. Jane is reading an interesting book. Number 9. The old man with a stick crossed the road. This lesson was presented by Boosting English with Anu. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.